Yeah, what's going on, everybody? This is Train G's with G. Listen to the Dreadhead Trader with a grain of black salt. Do your own due diligence. Be your own DD. Be your own designated driver. You cannot trust everything I say 100%. Know I have your best interests and I always keep it 100. All right, so welcome back, everybody. This video is going to be on XRP, the cryptocurrency owned by Ripple. As everybody knows, today is tanking. It's July 23rd. Why is it tanking? There's been no major news. This is the daily chart right here. As you can see, the daily candle is a red candlestick, a red Mariboshu. It's going downhill. It's down about 30 cents on a day. Nothing is really happening with XRP. The rumor or the possibility of why it's tanking, as well as the whole crypto market as a whole, because of the ETF delay. The SEC is delaying the conversion of Bitwise crypto index fund. This is most likely the case. A lot of people have been long awaiting the Ethereum ETF as well as XRP, Dogecoin, even XLM. This is a time for people to buy the dip. This is a time for people to reposition. Me personally, I don't buy when coins hit an all-time high. Right now, as we see, XRP has been absolutely killing it ever since late June when it busted out of this flag pattern, this pendant pattern around June 23rd, which is my dad's birthday. And if you go to weekly chart, it's been killing it the last few weeks, really since 4th of July, right around the 4th of July weekend. And now people are finally taking profits. I'm gonna go back to the day chart real quick. Personally, me, you see this little red square right here. I sold my initial investment, and that means the amount of money that you originally put into your investment. So let's say you put down 1,000 or 2,000, 10 grand into something. What I like to do is wait for something to hit an all-time high, which it did last week right here on the 17th of July, and I sold around 342 the amount of money that I put in. I still have the rest of my XRP. I'm not going to disclose how much I have. I take crypto very personally and privately, so I'm not going to get into all that. But what I will tell you guys, do not believe the hype. XRP going to $100. XRP going to $1,000. It's going to be 10 grand. Bitcoin did it. Ethereum is doing it. With time, yes, XRP will do it. This is the all-time chart right here, the weekly. As we know, in 2018, it hit this 330 mark. This was the all-time high for about 7 years. In 2021, right around the time when I first got into crypto, my first bull run, it hit 196, 198. So it didn't even go up here. They've been talking about XRP going through the roof for years, man. Look at the original price of this coin. Not perfectly projected. It says Trading View. We're looking at 2/10 of a cent. So this is less than a half a cent back in 2013. And look how long people have been waiting. Shout out to the long XRP holders. I've been in the play since 2020. And if you look at this chart right over here to where it's currently at, we're at a new all-time high. So a lot of smart people like myself sold their initial investment when it hit the new all-time high. I had a lot of XRP jacked from me. I'm not going to get into all that a few years ago. So I had to get back into XRP, right? I had to do what I had to do to get back in 2023 and last year. I bought all this XRP that I own. I bought it before Trump got into office in November. Ever since he got in November, not only XRP, but all crypto turned bearish, very bearish. Right over here, it's just been going up. It's been going up, and it started tanking a little bit in January. This was the major dip in April when it went down to 160. I wish I had money to buy at the time. It's all good. So if you bought this dip over here in April, then you've damn near doubled your money. You pretty much doubled your money. So my advice to y'all is just to watch it carefully. If you bought high, hey, I feel bad for you. Me personally, I'm not buying no XRP until it goes below $2. You cannot time the market. You do not know what's going to happen. As we know, Brad Garlinghouse is the CEO, the co-founder of XRP. He runs Ripple Labs. This cryptocurrency is focused on banking, financial institutions, and cross-border payments. It aims to replace SWIFT and reduce transaction times and costs. So I've sent the XRP to my homies, to different people from time to time. I've even transferred to my Ledger wallet. And it takes seconds. You can get your money in about 1 to like 10 seconds. It's very cheap, only costs a few cents per transaction. You know what I mean? They have a mass partnership with RippleNet. The ledger is fast, scalable, and low cost. And I believe the SEC have finally settled out with this stupid 5-year long lawsuit. So that means there's going to be more clarity for all the US crypto exchanges. If y'all want me to do a video personally on XRP, let me know. I would do it. I can also compare XRP and XLM. My next video is going to be on XLM Stellar's Lumen. The co-founder of that, the co-founder of XRP created XLM Stellar, and his name is Jade McCaleb. So I'm gonna do a video on XLM. My next video will be on that because they're very, very similar. But until next time, this is your boy, Train G's with G. I'm out.